juicy chicken, caramelized pineapple, and a fresh squeeze of lime. Simple, colorful.
Lavender on the flame, got the sweet plus the smoke.
Hello everyone! Today, we're making a delicious grilled pineapple chicken that combines juicy chicken with sweet pineapple. Let's see what makes this combination so enjoyable. Chicken is a great source of high-quality protein. Protein is an important nutrient that helps our bodies build and maintain muscles and supports many everyday body functions. Now comes the star ingredient, fresh pineapple. Pineapple provides nutrients while adding refreshing sweetness to the dish. It's a wonderful sweet and savory contrast with the chicken.
Watch what happens when they hit the grill. The heat creates beautiful flavors in the pineapple, while the chicken develops a smoky, grilling gives the entire dish an incredible and delicious texture. Now we bring everything together. The tender chicken provides protein, while the pineapple adds fruit, natural sweetness, and vitamin C. Fresh lime and herbs add another burst of flavor.
This flavorful meal can be enjoyed for lunch or dinner, and because we're combining different foods, it can fit into a varied and balanced eating pattern. Remember, no single food provides everything. So there you have it. Give this grilled pineapple chicken a try. I'll see you in the next recipe.
Grilled pineapples isn't just delicious, it's a chicken provides high-quality protein, which helps support normal muscle growth and maintenance. Grilling the pineapple brings out its natural sweetness and gives it a delicious caramelized flavor, while the juicy chicken, caramelized pineapple, and a fresh squeeze of lime. Simple, colorful.